One love, one heart. Let's get together.
Once more again, Zara Healthy Living, yeah. With some juice and all like a sunshine delight, you know, man. We have carrot, yeah, man, carrot, we have use up the beetroot, corn, pumpkin, we have peanut, yeah, man, and then we have the honey and the vanilla, all different type of spice, bush spice, cinnamon and nutmeg, yeah, man. So we have cut up them thing and now, scald them up and then we blend them. You see them? Yeah, that we are doing now. So, just stay tuned. Sunshine Delight, you know, man. And the best thing around town right now. Everybody love it. You just click on the love button and share. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Just click it, just click it, just click it. I said the vanilla, yeah. Vanilla we are putting on it. Cinnamon. Yeah, man, original, not no counterfeit, you know, man, watch that. We say that, you know, watch it now, it's like nutmeg. The honey, don't get funny, your honey. Soya milk, you know, soya milk. Yeah, man. Alcohol like, but if you love your alcohol like, you can put it in there yourself. Yes, man, watch it, man.